IDC believes that by 2020, more than 50% of the G2000 will see a majority of their business depend on their ability to create digitally enhanced products, services, and experiences. This means using new sources of ideas, innovation, and technology to enhance experiences and improve financial performance. Digital transformation is the continuous process by which enterprises adapt to or drive disruptive changes in their markets. By leveraging digital competencies, organizations can create new business models and improve customer and employee experiences while increasing operational efficiencies and organizational performance. This happens both inside and outside the organization. Inside, companies have the opportunity to double the productivity of their employees by using information to make decisions based on facts, not opinions, and automating processes that formerly relied on human management. Outside the organization, this means leveraging new ways of engaging and uncovering net new corporate assets, such as valuable data sets and in-house expertise, so the customers have more meaningful experiences and see their companies as providers of more than they were before. Digital is far beyond digitalization. It is not retrofitting. It is using technology to reimagine lines of business and build stronger relationships with customers. It all starts with the best technology, no matter where it physically sits. What IDC calls the third platform, cloud, mobile, big data analytics, and social engagement, is at the heart of this continuous journey of renewal and reinvention. The third platform is the technical underpinning for digital businesses. We're entering an era where the technologies and processes that businesses deploy externally are integrating with the internal operations of the enterprise. Business leaders are challenged to use digital technologies coupled with organizational, operational, and business model innovation to create new ways of operating and growing businesses. The best technology firms that IDC works with have moved to cloud-first development, meaning their best capabilities are being created uniquely on the cloud. For users, this means no longer waiting for annual patches and point releases to roll out, but rather massive service scale and elasticity, API-based integration based on standards, and access to the newest capability in each technology domain. Fundamentally, responding to the challenge of digital in your industry is not a one-off activity. In fact, it's likely to be the beginning of an ongoing process of renewal and reinvention. While it's clear that digital is now a boardroom priority, and for many a competitive imperative, everyone is at the different stage and transforming at different speeds. Wherever you are on the journey, it's critical to have the right technology environment and service approach underpinning your digital strategy. You can gain speed and you can create value through the way you integrate these technologies to build a secure infrastructure optimized for your needs. When fully embraced, cloud helps companies be more agile, reduce costs, and fuel innovation. However, the best mix of private, public, and hybrid cloud is different for every company. The key is defining an optimized cloud adoption strategy that works best for your organization and can positively affect your business outcomes. Cloud promises customers an on-demand, pay-as-you-go user experience that allows IT teams, business analysts, developers, and others to rapidly provision, share, and optimize resources using policy-based automation, standardized templates, business-centric governance, and consumption-aware metering and chargeback. Success in digital transformation means operating in a hybrid computing world. Hybrid refers to an enterprise IT architecture that uses a combination of heterogeneous computing assets, public and private cloud infrastructure, middleware, and database application resources, as well as physical, virtual, and software-defined and non-cloud IT assets, into an automated policy-based consumption-aware self-service configuration. Simply stated, hybrid means combining on-premise, traditional IT, and cloud, as well as multi-cloud models. Hybrid cloud is not just a sourcing strategy, it is an operational reality. It is a state we find ourselves in as we have looked outside our IT organizations for the easiest and newest places to build and access applications and services. IDC believes that 85% of enterprises worldwide will be multi-cloud in 2018. That means that as we continue to leverage our core business-critical systems of knowledge, we are also incorporating new third platform systems of engagement. These are the external platforms where we can build a new digital omnichannel experience for our customers. The real value of operating in a hybrid world is that it can allow customers to optimize their business service performance, cost, and agility while masking any underlying architectural complexity. In a digital transformation world, IT systems and applications provide the agility to make the difference between success and failure of the entire business. The pressure to further embrace the cloud is evident across the globe. 65% of organizations say their current IT infrastructure is struggling to support the rapid adoption in digital technologies, and nearly half of the respondents say are looking for cloud solutions that offer centralized management. Software-defined networking and network function virtualization offer a bridge to build and manage corporate networks that are pluggable with emerging SDX fabrics, but the new reality is that we have to leverage both older technologies like MPLS and new transit lines like HTTPS and SD-WAN to access and interact with multiple clouds. The challenges are not just technological. In IDC's 2017 CloudView survey, nearly 57% said they could not foresee a time when they'd have consistent service level monitoring across multiple clouds. Only 31% of IT organizations understood how to automate workloads to have bursting capability with external cloud IaaS compute platforms. 62% have not yet implemented self-service catalogs or chargeback capability, and 61% say they lack the staff knowledge to use cloud automation. There are certainly serious skills shortcomings facing customers on their cloud transformation journey. In the same survey, security, including data loss prevention, network hacking, secure endpoint device management, etc., was the #1 inhibitor to greater use of cloud. It was also, however, the #1 driver for greater use of cloud, and IDC predicts that by 2020, public cloud will be the secure option using threat analytics, blockchain, and cloud-based encryption. Companies not running at least some of their business there will be deemed a greater risk. There are also other issues weighing on the minds of IT leaders, including complex multi-cloud integration, single vendor lock-in, master data management, and compliance across multiple provider sites. These all tie back to control and governance. IDC has worked with many IT leaders over the past years to help them arrive at an important strategic milestone. Their digital transformation enablement mission should be to provide policy-based access to the best available technology they can build or source, no matter where it comes from. Rationalizing that IT mission statement with the challenges IT leaders face in a hybrid world points to the true value of a cloud of clouds entity, abstracted from the lock-in, proprietary IP, and interconnected issues facing any enterprise cloud topography. Digital has the potential to change everything: businesses, communities, nations, and the wider world. The foundation of digital is the third platform, the technologies built and being constructed on the cloud. IDC's CloudView survey, 81% of C-level leaders said that sourcing capability from the cloud was likely or very likely necessary to move to their next cycle of digital transformation and be more competitive in their industries. In the same survey, 79% of organizations said that they source at least some SaaS applications from the cloud, while 67% have project-based and long-term investments in cloud beyond applications. Finally, the survey found that about 17%, which were mostly smaller firms, are 100% public cloud users. The future success of digital transformation relies on integration of the old and the new, a cloud of clouds ecosystem, to integrate and provide transparency and dynamic managed services, open to partners of all types. It's the sum of the parts, secure and resilient fixed networks, plus digitally delivered software, to create a digital infrastructure fit for the digital business. To use cloud as a foundation for your digital transformation, IDC offers the following recommendations for enterprise IT leaders. Remember the primary IT mission in digital transformation. Provide policy-based access to the best available technology you can build or source, no matter where it comes from. Success lies in the use of public cloud, private cloud, and non-cloud workloads. Databases may operate in parallel, but be managed and monitored in a unified, orchestrated, and automated manner, depending on architectural constraints and security requirements. Embrace the industry-wide move to modern continuous delivery application development lifecycles, combined with the broad adoption of standards for workload portability. Train and equip enterprise IT teams to be fluent in key hybrid attributes such as self-service provisioning, workload migration, and day-to-day management of a mix of heterogeneous cloud environments. You should also seek third-party services that abstract the binding to proprietary platforms and applications. Embrace and enforce a regime of consistent policies, access control, self-service portals, automation and orchestration, provisioning, performance monitoring, and metering chargeback mechanisms. This will enable a unified end-user experience and automated management environment, regardless of the physical location of applications, workloads, and services. In an intensely competitive world, the ability to deliver on the promise of a positive experience for your customers and to continue to evolve your company's digital transformation means absorbing new technology and finding the right set of providers with which to partner with for the long haul. Success in business is often the art of the possible, and success in cloud means embracing the digital possible.